Today our second class on function, and today our topic is first is composition of function, second is find, fog and golf if fx is equal to mod of x and gx is equal to mod of 5x minus 2. Second, if fx is equal to 8x cube and gx is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Third is invertible function, and after that here is a problem to check that the given function is an invertible function, then find the inverse of f. So here are 4 subtopic today, and today we have to define first is composition of a function. Composition of a function. Composition of a function. Of a function. Composition of a function. Let f such that a tends to b be a function. Be a function. Let f such that a tends to b is a function. G such that b tends to c be another function. See the diagram. Here is a function a. This is your set A, and this is your set B. And here is a function f, through which we can go from set A to set B. And after that here is another set C, and here is a function g, for which we can go from B to C. Let f A tends to be a function and g b tends to c be another function. Then composition of two functions. Composition of two function f and g is defined by, then composition of two function f and g is defined by g of f and written as g of fx is equal to g of fx for all x belongs to A. This notation is written as belongs to, and this is as for all. So composition of two functions f and g is defined by g or f and written as g of fx is equal to g of fx for all x belongs to A. So check here. Here is a function set A, and this is your set B, and this is your function A, and this is your function B. So if this is a function A, so elements of this will be called fx. Elements of B will be called fx, and this is your function G. So elements of C will be g of fx. This is g of fx. Similarly, if we want to return, here is your set C, here is set B, and here is a set A, B and C. And for if suppose this function is x and we want to just reverse way, so this function will be, since this function is gx, so this is your gx. You suppose right here function g, so this is your function gx, and this is your function f. So this will be your f of gx. So what we have read here, if we go to A to B and B to C, so this can be written as, we can say that f such that, or g of f such that A tends to C. ये g of f जो होगा वो A से C के एलिमेंट को बताएगा, और f of g जो होगा वो C से A के एलिमेंट को बताएगा. C से A के एलिमेंट को, this is your x, this is your gx, and from this is your f of gx. So f of g जो होगा वो c से एक एलिमेंट को बताएगा, और g of f जो होगा वो f of g of एलिमेंट को बताएगा, because here we have to find f of g and g of f. So this is all about composition of two function. Once again see that composition of two function, if a, b, c are three sets and f is a function from a to b, g is a function from b to c, then g of is a function from a to c. And similarly, if suppose this element as x, then this element will be gx and this element will be f of gx. So just reverse way, g of f is a to c and f of g is c to a. So this is all about composition of two functions. Now we have to solve two problems based on this function. Problem is, first find f of g and g of f if fx is equal to mod of x. So your problem will be, you have to calculate the value of f of g and g of f. It is given that fx is equal to, in the question it is given that fx is equal to mod of x and gx is equal to mod of 5x minus 2. Then we have to calculate f of gx. So this will be equal to f of, first delete this and use big bracket g of fx, and this can be written as f of g of fx is equal to mod of 5x minus 2. G of fx is equal to mod of 5x minus 2. G of fx will be mod of 5x minus 2, and after that you have to use this will be equal to f of x. F of x is equal to mod of x. See here is x, then here will be mod of x. In place of x, here is this function. So this will equal to mod of 5x minus 2 mod, like this. Mod of g of fx will be, this can be written as, or this will equal to mod of 5x minus 2, like mod of this thing is like this, and again is f g of fx. This will be equal to g of fx, and g of fx is equal to how much? This is your mod of x. Fx is your how much? This is your mod of x, and g of fx will be 5x minus 2. So this will equal to mod of 5 of mod of x minus 2, like this. See here, g of x, fx is equal to, g of x is equal to, if here is x, so this will equal to 5x minus 2, but in place of x, here is mod x, so mod of 5x minus 2. So here you are seeing that f of gx is not equal to g of fx, but we can calculate the value of f of g and g of f. This is the value of Fogg and Goff. This is written as Fogg and this is written as Goff. See second question. This is your first question and this is your second question. So second question is, if fx is equal to 8x cube, fx is equal to 8x cube, and gx is equal to x to the power 1 by 3, then you have to find the value of again f of gx and g of fx. So use this result also. You have to find the value of f of gx and g of fx. So f of gx is equal to what? See here, these are the two functions. So f of gx is equal to f of gx, and this will equal to f of gx. Gx is equal to how much? X to the power 1 by 3. X to the power 1 by 3. So this will equal to, and x to the power 1 by, fx is equal to 8 into x to the power 1 by 3. So this will be equal to 8 into x to the power 1 by 3. This x to the power 1 by 3 and this whole cube, like this. So this will equal to nothing but is equal to 8x. This is equal to nothing but this will equal to 8x. So f of gx is equal to 8x, and after that you have to calculate g of fx. So this will equal to g of fx. Fx means g of fx, and this will equal to g of fx is your 8x cube. So is equal to this here. If here is x, this will be your x to the power 1 by 3. So in place of x, here is 8x cube. So you can write 8x cube, this whole to the power 1 by 3, and this is nothing but equal to 2x. So you have calculated the value of Fogg and Goff. So student, in similar way, if in the question two functions are given, so you have to calculate the value of Fogg and Goff. In CBSE examination, it contains 2 marks question. You will get this type of question in 2 marks. And next is invertible function. A function f such that x tends to y is called an invertible function if there exists a function g such that y tends to x such that g of f is equal to ix. Ix means identity element in x, and f of g is equal to I by identity element in y. The function g is called inverse of f and denoted by g is equal to f inverse. Suppose f is a function and its element is x plus 5. So here given that fx is equal to x plus 5. And this it is also given that this is your n to n, natural number to n, natural number. F such that n to n be a function, fx is equal to x plus 5. Then we have to find what is the inverse of a function. Check here, here is a set A and here is a set B. If you put here x is equal to 1, so what is the value of fx? Fx will be 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. X is equal to 2. Fx will be 7. X is equal to 5. Fx will be 10. So you have to find, this is your function f to go a to b. यहाँ पर a से b जाने के लिए हम फंक्शन इसका यूज कर रहे हैं, fx is equal to x plus 5. हमें पता करना है कि b से यदि हम a आना चाहें तो जो फंक्शन g होगा इस g का वैल्यू क्या होगा. We have to find that what is the value of g through which for every element of b we can get a. So if you write here input of f of x, you put fx is equal to y, then this function can be written as y is equal to x plus y. So what is the value of x? X will be equal to y minus 5. And here put all the value of y, you will get the value of x. Put here y is equal to 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Y is equal to 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Y is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So this function g, this is called g of y. This function is called g of y because function is in form of y. So here inverse of this function, yeah, inverse of f is equal to f is equal to y minus function 5, y minus 5. Here y minus 5 is a function through which we can find every element of b, there is a unique element in x. This function is called invertible function. There is also another definition of invertible function. What is another definition? If a function is 1, 1 and onto, that is called invertible function. Here is also a definition. If f is 1, 1, 1, 1 and onto, it is called invertible function. If a function is follow the rule of 1, 1 and onto, this is called invertible function. If a function follow 1, 1 and onto rule, that means that function is called bijective function. So in place of 1, 1 and onto, you can also then say that if f is a bijective function, it is also invertible function. If a function f is bijective function, then it is also a invertible function. After that, you come to question number 4 of exercise 1.3. Consider a function f such that r tends to r, fx is equal to 4x plus 3, so that f is invertible function. Then find inverse of f. We have to calculate what is the inverse of f. So here we have to prove? We have to prove that this function is follow 1, 1 and onto both the property. And after that, we have to calculate what is the inverse of this function. So first we have to prove that this function is 1, 1 and onto. For 1, 1, what we have to do? For 1, 1 function, we have to write let x1, x2 belong to R. Why? This is a function R to R. R to R means R is the element of domain and here R is also the element of range. So let x1, x2 belong to R. Then question is given fx is equal to 4x plus 3. So what is the value of f of x1? If fx is equal to 4x plus 3, then f of x1 will be 4 into x1 plus 3, and f of x2 will be 4 into x2 plus 3. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then we can write 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So 4x1 is equal to 4x2. That means x1 is equal to x2. So here we have taken that if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then we have shown that x1 is equal to x2. This implies f is 1 function. F is 1 function. After that, we have to show that this function is onto function. For onto function, you put fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y. So y must be equal to 4x plus 3. So find the value of x here. If you find the value of x will be equal to y minus 3 upon 4. This will come here, y minus 3 upon 4. X will be equal to y minus 3 upon 4. And after that, you calculate f of y minus 3. After that, to check f is onto, here are two methods. First method is, you find f of y minus 3 upon 4. F of y minus 3 upon 4. So here, fx is equal to 4x plus 3. So if in place of x we write this, so this will equal to 4 into y minus 3 upon 4 plus 3. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So this will equal to y minus 3 plus 3, and this will equal to y. So we have shown that this value of is equal to y. So hence f is onto. Hence f is onto. So we have proved that. So this implies f is 1 1 1 1 and onto. F is 1 1 and onto. This implies f is invertible function. This means f is invertible function. Invertible function. Then our problem is find the inverse of f. f का inverse बताइए. f का inverse क्या होगा? So inverse of f will be, see here, inverse of f, inverse of f, inverse of f is equal to g. इसका जो inverse होगा g होगा. अब ये जो फंक्शन x है, इसी को हम लोग कहते हैं g of y, and this can also be written as f inverse y. क्योंकि ये फंक्शन y के फॉर्म में है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ y लिखे हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर चूंकि आंसर f के फॉर्म में मांग रहा है, तो अगर हम इसको x के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, so this will equal to x minus 3 upon 4. This will equal to x minus 3 upon 4. Write x in place of y, so it becomes x minus 3 upon 4. So our question is find inverse of f. So inverse of f is equal to x minus 3 upon 4. So but just here we have shown that this function is an invertible function because it is 1 1 and onto. So dear student, if you want to prove that given function is an invertible function, then your first step is show that it is a 1 1 function, and after that you have to show that this is a onto function. And so if it is a onto function, first you show that calculate the value of x in terms of y and find the value of f of this function. It will equal to y. That means this is a onto function. To show onto function, here is also another method. Another method. See here. Here is also another method. Another method. Since it is given that this function is r to r, so that means we can write that for each element of y, for each element of y, there is unique element in unique pre-image in x, or unique element in x. So f is onto। y के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के लिए x में हमें एक एलिमेंट मिलेगा। y के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के लिए मतलब ये हमारा x है सेट, ये हमारा y है सेट, तो इसके प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का इसमें इमेज मिलेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि ये फंक्शन भी रियल नंबर का है और ये फंक्शन भी रियल नंबर का है। तो रियल नंबर का कोई भी एलिमेंट यहाँ लेंगे हमें यहाँ पर रियल नंबर मिलेगा। अगर यहाँ रियल नंबर के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का यहाँ प्री इमेज है, इसका मतलब ये जो फंक्शन है वो ऑनटो फंक्शन है। बट इन एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस मेथड इज मोर इफेक्टिव देन दिस मेथड। So I hope you will follow this method and try to prove that given function is invertible function or not. Here is two questions for your homework. First question is, if x such that 1 2 3 1 3 4 tends to 1 to 5 and g such that 1 2 3 tends to 1 3, given by function is f and g are both are given, then you have to calculate the value of f of g and f of f. To do this problem, first you make two sets a and b. Its element is 1 3 4 and its element is 1 2 5, and here is another set. This is your function f, and from f to here is another set. Its element is 1 3. Here is a function g, and using this result y you find the value of gof and fob. Second question is, if fx is equal to 4x plus 3 and 6x minus 4, x not equal to 2 by 3, then show that f of fx is equal to x. Then what is its meaning? That means f is inverse of itself. If f of fx is equal to x, that means f is inverse of itself. So first you have to prove that. First you have to show that here f is 1 1. First you have to check it is 1 1. Second you have to check it is onto. So using this result, if you prove that this function is 1 1 and onto, so this is a invertible function. So check that this function is invertible and not. If invertible, then calculate the value of f. So here I hope this question will be invertible to itself. Dear students, if you have any problem, then ask me in my comment section. I will solve your problem. Thank you.